Hello, Peter Van, the DentFix guy, here with the DF Easy N1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welding system. Today, we're going to look at box tabs on the back of a lot of your trim panels. Not uncommon. You go to take a trim panel off to accommodate a repair, and boom, the box tab rips off with the part. Now you're stuck. Ordering trim panels is the worst thing for a body shop. They're a special order by color, and the one that we're going to demonstrate on today took over a week to get. Not a good situation. So let's get to it and show you how to fix these box tabs so you can fix them quickly, cleanly, and get that part right back on the car. Okay, starting with the clean panel. This panel was actually off of a newer vehicle, so it really didn't need any cleaning. If you need to clean it, use soap and water, no solvent. I'm going to put a piece of aluminum tape on the back. It's not holding anything, but what it's going to do is dissipate any heat transfer that comes through and protect the color on the outside so you won't have to do any coloring or painting or dyeing afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to start by tacking it down with the airless welder. By holding the part where I want it, I can cut in with the edge of the airless welder. It does two things for me. It tacks it down into place so it's where I want it to be, as well as it cuts a nice little V-groove for my welding rod to go into. Now in this case I'm going to use 1/8 inch round rod. A lot of times I would use the triangular rod, but in this case I think the 1/8 inch round rod will give me a better bite because of the small area I'm having to deal with. There you go. That tab's on there strong and secure and will hold the panel back down into place. On the front side, we've done no distortion of the color. No need to call out the dye guy and get it re-dyed. Just put it back on the car and get that job delivered. Quick and easy with the DF Easy N1 Easy Nitro nitrogen plastic welder from DentFix.